Hello friend, welcome to our channel. It's cool. Today we will learn about how to reset your Gmail password without phone number or without phone verification. First, open your web browser and open Incognito mode by shortcut Ctrl+Shift+N. Now open official website of Gmail by entering the URL gmail.com. Now enter the Gmail email address which you want to reset and press enter. Now click on Forget Password. The first step, Gmail asks you your last remembered password on Gmail. If you remember, enter it. Otherwise click on I don't know. The next step will come your recovery email. If you have added it, it's good, otherwise enter manually. Now open the email in default browser which you enter for getting code from Gmail. Open the email received from Google and copy the code from email and go back to the incognito mode of browser. Here you can see we have got access to change password of our Gmail address without entering the phone number. Give a strong password. Please note that your password must include at least one uppercase character, one special character, or one numeric value, or must length is 8 characters. Or the password use which you never before used on this email, otherwise it will not accepted by Gmail. So here you're eligible to access the Gmail account. So thanks for watching us on It's Cool. Don't forget to subscribe us on YouTube. Please like, share and give comments on the end of the video.